Everyone stop. Everyone stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing right now. Everyone stop and look. They're playing in the water. They're bathing in the water. Oh, and little friends. Oh, little friends. Look at them go. Dude, they're having the time of their fucking life. Look at them go, man. That's so awesome. I'm just going to film these birds for a minute. This is from a window, so there's no sound. Dude, look at them go. Hey, wait a second. I just realized they're bathing in muddy water. Well, I mean, shit. It's not all muddy, I guess, but hey, y'all do you, I guess, man. At least there's no pollution in that water. It's just got natural clay. What is that one doing? Yo, he's drying off in the grass. Dude, look at him. They're so fucking cool. All right, bye-bye. Just kidding. I'm going to film for a little longer. Oh, look, there's some more over there. Oh, but there's no water in that puddle. Hey, look, a redbird. That's so pretty. Hey, guys. I'm just chilling.